Hey, it's Christina and my husband Keith here in Nanaimo, British Columbia. Actually, we're not in Nanaimo anymore. We took a ferry across to a place called Protection Island, and it's just off the coast of Vancouver Island. And I'm going to show you how we got here. So I haven't been to Vancouver Island in nearly 25 years, and our daughter-in-law Josie gave us a list of things we had to do while staying in Nanaimo. Eat in a Nanaimo bar and go to the Dinghy Dock Pub and have dinner on Protection Island. So we stayed at the Coast Bastion Hotel right on the waterfront. I highly recommend staying there. It was beautiful, clean, reasonable, and this was our view. From our room, you could see the ferry to Protection Island. So we walked from our hotel down to the marina and bought our tickets. Bring cash for this. It's $10 a person for a return ticket. Kids are $5. The ferry leaves the Nanaimo side at 10 minutes after the hour, from like 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. in the summer at least, and it leaves Protection Island every hour on the hour between 7 and 10. The boat that's sitting there is actually the waiting room and where you can buy your tickets. You can go have a seat inside if it's raining, and I'll show you that in a second. If you want to bring your bikes, it'll cost you $6 return, and if you want to bring your dog, $1 each way. That's the Coast Bastion Hotel I was telling you about. As you can see, it's really close. Here comes the ferry right on time, and it's so cute. We're all asked to please head inside the waiting room where we'll board the ferry once it's been offloaded. Inside the waiting room, you'll find seating, hand sanitizer, and some notices posted on the board. You'll also find the menu for the Dinghy Dock Pub so you can plan out your meal. It's time to hop on board, and you can sit around the perimeter of the boat, or if you're more comfortable, you can sit right in the middle. Make sure to check out the fun little sign called How to Be a 5-Star Passenger at the front of the boat. So the rules are: keep your dogs on a leash, make sure you go to the Dinghy Dock Pub, stay seated, no cursing, sing a song or play guitar, keep your feet off the seat, turn down the brightness of your cell phone so the skipper can see, be on time, and make sure to listen to the captain. He's the boss and he's keeping you safe. Here we go. Once we arrive at the island, we head to the Dinghy Dock Pub right away. And there's a few things you need to know. Once you've picked a seat, you can't change your mind. So if you choose to sit outside and it starts to pour rain, you need to stay put. Now, I'm not sure if this is one of those weird COVID rules or if it's because too many people just want to swap out their seats all the time, which I can imagine would be a pain for your server. Whatever, just keep that in mind. Now, the restaurant had great awnings and umbrellas, so I think in the summer months on a nice day, you're pretty safe to stay outside. Either way, inside or out, it's a great experience. We ordered the fish and chips and a salad, and they were really, really good. Once we're done with dinner, we had some time to go check out the island. I really had no idea what to expect. And unfortunately, I didn't grab a map on our way up, which I should have done, as they're there for the taking. It would have helped us understand the layout of the island and where all the roads led to. It's such a funny little island, and about 350 people live here, and everyone drives a golf cart. So right at the wharf, there's a parking lot full of golf carts, and you'll see locals zooming around in them. I'm really not sure how they get other things to the island, like cars and building materials, but somehow they do. So we took a walk down Pirates Lane. Oh, did I tell you that this is where all the modern day pirates live? Well, the nice ones anyways, and the entire island has a pirate theme going on. And all the streets are named like Pirates Lane and Captain Morgan's Boulevard. There's Smuggler's Park and Gallows Point. It's just really fun. The island also has a fire station, a playground, several parks, community garden, a boat launch, an off-leash beach for dogs, and a museum. Check out these beautiful cottages. There are a few for sale, and there's still a couple of lots for sale where you can build your own pirate getaway. So people live here year round and work in Nanaimo, and there's also lots of weekend cottages here. So each property is super unique, and I could totally live here, and I wish we had spent more time walking the entire island. It was flat and easy to walk around, and I highly recommend doing just that. So before we went back to the ferry, we headed back to the golf cart parking near the dock and took another road just down to the community dock to check out the Pirates Playground and the beach area. So right up there, that's the parking lot of all the golf carts, and we just turn around this way and you can see this is the community dock area and the playground. That's downtown Nanaimo, and you can see just how close we are to the city. It is so strange because you feel like you're so secluded, but you're literally a stone's throw from the city. So plan to spend 2 to 3 hours here at least, one for dinner and the other for walking around. So it's time for us to head back, and remember that ferry leaves on the hour from this side, and it's first come, first serve. So I guess the worst that could happen to you is you don't make the ferry and you have to wait an hour sitting on a log, relaxing and looking out over the water. So that was Protection Island. No pre-planning necessary. It's just something you should do if you have a couple of hours in Nanaimo. It was really great fun, and our only regret was not spending more time there. It was a really fun, relaxing place to explore. So thanks for watching Tinagirl Travels. I have some really fun videos coming up, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time on Tinagirl Travels. Yeah.